Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at a 1977 Martin D-45. But before we do so, please click the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. You'll be very happy that you did so. This is a used 1977 Martin D-45. Just came in here at the shop and we thought, well, we gotta feature this guitar. It looks amazing. The top's old, the guitar's old, it smells old, it sounds old, which is a good thing. What we have on this 1977 D-45 is a standard Sitka spruce top with a lacquered over black pickguard, which always makes me smile because I think it's so cool. We have an ebony bridge with bone bridge pins and a bone saddle. We have an abalone rosette, abalone purfling around the entire top of the guitar, fingerboard extension around the sides of the guitar, around the back of the guitar, around where the neck meets the guitar body. This is typical 45 style and it's absolutely stunning. On the back we have East Indian rosewood, we have a single piece mahogany neck, we have an ebony fingerboard with hexagon mother of pearl inlays in standard 45 style, we have an 1 11/16 bone nut right underneath a beautiful standard 45 style headstock with the CF Martin on the top and gold Grover Rotomatics. This guitar has been played, this guitar has been loved, and it sounds like it. So we're going to give this 1977 Martin D-45 a play so you can hear what it sounds like. If you're interested in this guitar, head on over to acousticletter.com where you can call or email us with your questions. For more acoustic guitar reviews and comparisons, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking this button.